Welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. A little after 5 p.m. Altcoin Tuesday. Trying to play a little catch up here. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Back in the saddle here after some crypto conferences and need to get everybody caught up. Obviously, if you're not part of the text message group, if you're not following me, try to keep everybody up to date on Twitter. So if you not part of that, go ahead and find at CryptoBallersX and follow there on Twitter, and you get a lot of the easier updates when I don't have the laptop in front of me, and I just have my phone. So, when you're in meetings and all that kind of stuff, you kind of have to keep one eye on the market and everything that's happening. But doing the correlation videos, just did one of Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to put that in the upper right-hand corner of this video. Make sure you check that out if you're a Bitcoin trader and you're looking to capitalize on correlation of Bitcoin. Here we have Ethereum Classic, and we are obviously have this correlated with Ethereum and how you can play Ethereum Classic, the moves in Ethereum with Ethereum Classic, okay? And so now you're seeing a little bit of selling pressure come into Ethereum tonight, and you're going to see that in the next 2 hours, okay? Why? Because Ethereum is crossing into an overbought situation on its 4 hour, okay? It's had a great run-up, all right? A great run-up, okay? If you look at exchange flows, you've got tokens coming off exchanges for Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? To a lesser extent, Ethereum, okay? Which is tenuous, okay? So that, on the one hand, appears bullish, right? Because when people remove their tokens from exchanges, it means their intentionality is to hodl now, okay? Not to sell, which would trigger you into believing that there's not going to be any selling. However, when you reach a technical barrier and you reach resistance, or you reach a high relative strength index level, you are going to get selling of those people who still have their tokens, traders, on the exchanges. Okay, so on the one hand, you do have that bullishness of low exchange flows, or I should say, lower amount of tokens held on exchanges. Okay, so what about Ethereum Classic? Well, Ethereum Classic had the run up again. It was about I think it was about 78% gain in the leverage trade from here. Okay, as it crosses over its on February 14th, a day ago, or you could have gotten, I know a lot of people got in here and held on, okay? So that was it, basically right below this moving average line, and it did move up above, but it didn't stay up above for very long. It fell back down, then it crossed the moving average again on the 14th of February, which is where we are right now. Now, it's currently trading in the $32 range, which happens to be it's 7 and 21 day moving averages, okay, on the 4 hour. So you've got that duality that happens often when the 7 day and the 21 day are aligned at the same level. So if you get a breakout of that level, if Ethereum is to go to 3,200, okay, and just break through a 70 RSI level and not look back, Ethereum Classic is going to break that level and move and test where? Okay, it's trading right now at 32. Okay, last time on the 13th of February was at 33. But then look right here is you got it topping and out on the 10th at 36,776. So that's your target if you get above and stay above and hold above on this 4 hour stick tonight above 32. That'll be your next legitimate target site for Ethereum Classic. Now, that is going to depend on, because ETC is so highly correlated to Ethereum, what happens with the fundamental technical and analytics of Ethereum. So if Ethereum moves up, ETC is going to move up. But if we get a turn, which I suspect the probability of a turn is higher than moving Ethereum to 3,200, we should get some selling. ETC is more likelier than not in the next 4 to 6 hours falls below 32. And then that means the $30 level becomes a target again until it can get back above its 721 levels. Okay, that's how you play that trend line. Okay, and you're sitting right on it. So you have to keep an eye on Ethereum tonight in order to gauge how ETC is going to react off its trend line, up or down. The probability